How to fix Uber app not working. Hello and welcome everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If your Uber application is not working, check out this quick and easy step. First and foremost, tap open your phone settings. In your phone settings, head to your main menu page. You need to navigate to apps. Click on all apps. Tap on the search icon to search for Uber. Tap on the application. Tap on Force Stop. Head to Storage and Cache. Then tap on Clear Cache. This will fix any of the bug or the glitch issue that might be causing the problem. If not, you can head back from here, check out System Update and make sure that your system is up to date so that it can support the latest version of the app. If you are connected to a VPN, make sure to disable it. Also check for your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is working at optimum speed. If not, switch into a cellular data or enable airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn it back off. Now, check if your Uber application is undergoing an update. In that case, your Uber app will simply not work. All you need to do is have some patience, then after a couple of minutes, try to relaunch your Uber app. And that is how you'll be able to fix your Uber application not working. And it is a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.